how's it going? Today I've got a cool gadget from Boost Auto Parts that I'm going to share with you. They've released a line of upgraded key fobs for the Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon line for 2015 through 2022 models. This is like the newer style key fob that GM issues with new vehicles like 2020 onward. So Boost Auto Parts has figured out a way to make these work with a older truck that has this style key fob that's a 2015 through 2022 Chevy Colorado or GMC Canyon. Now, they also have this key fob for trucks that are with or without remote start. My Canyon is a 2019. It has remote start. This is the OEM key fob here on the right. So you can get this with or without, which is great. And they also offer a module that you can buy along with the key fob to program it to your vehicle without needing to go to the dealership. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to link this to my GMC Canyon, and it won't remove any of the existing key fobs that I have. I have two OEM ones. It'll just add this one as a third, and this thing is beefy. It feels great. It actually feels a lot nicer in the hand than the factory one, and the buttons feel pretty good. They're kind of clicky. You can hear them. They feel great. Then another benefit of these is it actually comes with a key blank if you want to have a spare key. So you could take this to a locksmith and have them cut this key to match yours, and then you have a spare that's hidden in there. It's just an added benefit having an extra spare key right there on the fob. Programming this is super easy with the module they sent, and I'm going to walk you through it here. So to program this, you're going to need your factory key, and you're going to insert it into the ignition and turn it on, but you're not going to start the motor. And now that the vehicle is in run mode, we're going to take our little module that they send and plug it into the ODB2 port. And it beeped at you. Now the dash displays key learning active. We're then going to take our new key fob from Boost Auto, and we're going to hold these two lock and unlock buttons for about 15 to 30 seconds. It beeped at me, which I think means it worked. Yep. So I'm going to turn the vehicle off now and remove this module. All right, so I got the new fob activated and testing the features. The lock works, unlock works. Remote start works. Remote turn off works. Pretty cool. Panic works as well. So it's a pretty nifty little upgrade you can do for your GMC Canyon or Chevy Colorado. Be sure to check out the Boost Auto Parts website. I'll post a link to this in the video description below so you can get yours. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Love it if you subscribe. Stay tuned for new videos. We'll see you next time. Later.